Our divisor has a decimal in it. We're going to shift this over 1, 2, 3 positions. Here we have, let's put a decimal point here. We're going to have to shift this over 3, 1, 2, and I'm going to put in a 3 so I can put in a 0 so I can get my 3 shifts directly into the answer. Okay, let's start dividing. 3 divides into 3 once. 3 divides into 3. It does not, but I shift the 1 over. It's a 13. 3 divides into 13 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12 with the remainder of 1. 3 divides into 11 3 times. 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 10, 11. To 2, remainder of 2. 3 divides into 20 6 times. That gives us 18, 19, 20. I'm going to have to add some zeros here to accept the 2. 3 divides into 20 6 times with the remainder of 2. Here goes the repeating. There's the repeating pattern. We have to start it here. This is the repeating because we do need this 6 as part of the whole number answer. So here's our repeating pattern. 4 has 0.04, has a decimal, so we're going to shift it 1, 2, shift it 1, 2, place it into the answer. 4 divides into 9 2 times with 1 left over. 4 divides into 13 3 times, that's 12, and 1 more is 13. 4 divides into 6 4 times with no remainder. 4 divides into 7 1 time with 3 left over. I'm going to extend both of my zeros so I can accept my remainder of 3. 4 divides into 30. 8 times 4 is 32, so that's too high. We have to go to 7. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30. So it's a remainder of 2. 4 divides into 20 5 times. That worked out evenly. So this one was a repeating decimal. Here was an example of we added some zeros and it did work out evenly. The division of decimals is the shifting of the decimal point. You cannot have a decimal in the divisor. That's shifted away. Then you place you compensate with your dividend by shifting the decimal here. If you have too few numbers, you're going to add some zeros so the shifting can take place, and then that decimal point is put directly into the answer. Then the division starts. If it works out evenly, sweet. If it does not work out evenly, you're going to have to add zeros to the end of the number and keep dividing until it does work out evenly, as in this example. Sometimes it just repeats and repeats and repeats. As soon as you recognize the repeating pattern, put a bar over the numbers that are repeating, and you can stop.